Hello, good morning. Look at this beautiful, sunny, bright day. I'm Davita, and welcome to Abstract and Flow Studio. So today, we're going to do a pour. Might consist of some pearls. Might consist of some paint injections. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Yeah. So, colors. Today, we are working with actually just 3 colors. So, let me show you. Alright, so today, we're going to be using Liquitex Payne Gray. We're hoping to get some pearls so our consistency is very thin, no mound, no trace. Next color is a very soft gray. And this is Amsterdam's Titanium White with just a squirt or 2 of Acrylic's Flow Black, because I didn't have any gray that's not metallic, and I just wanted a soft gray. Actually, it looks a little thick. It's been sitting, so we're going to make sure we mix this up really well and have it not leave a mound or any trace. So we're just going to add a tiny squirt of water. And let's get that to the consistency as the gray, pearl gray, Payne's gray. Okay, that's a little better. Okay. Now, if I do the injection, I'm going to inject with Deco Art's Extreme Sheen 24K. Remember, this doesn't really sell up for me as much as I want it to. So we got our little medicine dropper here. May use that. May use some tools. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I've already painted my canvas sides, and we have our pearl mixture. Yes, we're going to do some pearls. Here it is. Shake it up. Since I made this the other day. And let's show you the consistency. All right. So the consistency of my base coat, as you can see, very thin, no mound, a slight hint of a trace, but nothing that is that is staying. So that is the consistency of the base. All right, so let me get the camera positioned better and we will get this pour started. Okay, we're all positioned and we're in focus. Okay, now what the idea is to mimic the pour I did the other day where we used the bottle bottom to let the paint cascade down and then we tilted. So that is the idea for today. And I'm only putting this much of the bottle bottom on the canvas. So we're letting it overlap. Okay. And I'm going to start with the Payne's Gray. Now we're going to throw in the soft gray that I mixed up. And a little more of the Payne's Gray. Okay. Looks good so far. I like the cascading design it's making. And I'm going to torch because I see some air bubbles. So guess what? I forgot to add the white base. So I just sprinkled it around the edges and we're going to go with what's on the canvas and see what we get. Why is there so much paint? Okay. Just gonna see what happens. Since I was so excited to paint on this beautiful morning and completely forgot to put the base down first. So this may be one of those happy accidents. I'm just going to let it flow. And see what happens. Not exactly what I started out to do, but look at it. That gold really broke up that gray kind of blob that was sitting there in the middle. And yeah, I'm not crazy about this area right here. So I may do something to that. It needs to be a solid solid color to balance it. And I don't have any more Payne's gray mixed up. And if I tilt it, it's going to mess up what's going on here. So once it's dry, I may darken that area a little just to give it some balance. But yes, I am loving the way this turned out. Except for this little area here. Alrighty now. Now, like I said, we got a happy accident that turned out pretty darn good. And I think I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I have so much going on. But, you know, when you get thrown lemons, you make lemonade. And I like this lemonade. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can be. I could have stopped recording, started over, but this is what you can do when, you know, you forget your base coat. All right, stay blessed, stay safe. See you next pour. Bye.